He is God, exalted is he, the Lord of wisdom and utterance. Say, I yield thee thanks, O my God, and my Master, and my Mainstay, for having aided me to recognize the dawning place of thy signs, the dayspring of thy testimonies, and the fountainhead of thy laws and commandments. Him unto whom thou didst reveal the Qur'án, and through whom thou didst distinguish truth from falsehood, and light from darkness. I beseech thee, O thou who art the Lord of all created things, and the Educator of all beings, by the billows of the ocean of thy favour, and the effulgent splendours of the day-star of thy bounty that have been shed upon thy people, to ordain for this servant of thine that which will exalt him by thy name amidst thy creatures. Write down then for me what thou hast written down for thy chosen ones and thy loved ones. Potent art thou to do what pleaseth thee, and in thy grasp are the reins of all who are in heaven and on earth. I praise thee and thank thee, moreover, for the blessing thou hast sent down from the heaven of thy will, and the firmament of thy purpose. I beseech thee, by thy most mighty signs, and by thy most great, most holy, and most exalted cause, to bless his arrival unto us. Do thou ordain for him what will cause every heart to be gladdened, and every eye to be solaced. Verily, thou art God. There is none other God but thee, the omnipotent protector, the self-subsisting. Bahá'u'lláh.